Hey guys, it's time to eat healthy on a budget with HealthProTips. Today I'm going to share some tips and recipes that will help you save money and eat nutritious food. First, buy in bulk and freeze the leftovers. Next, plan your meals and make a grocery list. Then cook at home and avoid eating out. After that, use affordable and versatile ingredients like beans and rice. And last but not least, try some budget-friendly recipes like lentil soup and roasted veggies. These tips and recipes will help you eat healthy without breaking the bank. Let's get cooking.